Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we will be talking about iQOO GamePad. So iQOO launched their premium flagship series, the iQOO 9 series, the iQOO 9 Pro, the iQOO 9 and the iQOO 9 SE. And couple of accessories were also launched. One is the iQOO GamePad and the other one is the wireless charger. Now iQOO GamePad is intended for gamers on smartphones. So this is the GamePad. So we'll talk about how good it is, what all features it offers, how to configure. So this is the box package. So you can see iQOO GamePad. So the design language and color combination matches with iQOO's logo and other stuffs. You can see here yellow color, and you can see here 150 hours battery life is included. And you can see connect and play. It's instant pairing via Bluetooth, esports and level grip, match as you like. You can see 150 hours of battery life. So this is priced 3,000 rupees in India. So let's see how you can pair this and how you can use it. So this is the gamepad. So you can see here the buttons and controls available, and you can see iQOO branding is also there. Now here these are buttons. You can see here L1, L2, R1. Then we have the joystick. You have additional keys Y, X, B and A. Then C and Z. So there are plenty of keys available. Now the back has a pretty good grip. It's kind of a textured finish which gives a good grip altogether, and this is also matte. The plastic quality is definitely very impressive. And here this is the area where you can insert the phone, and the spring action is also really good. So the build quality is something which is really good. We also have the power button to turn off and on. So that's the power button, and the charging port. This has a battery which lasts for around 150 hours. So you can charge it via USB Type-C port. So these are the buttons. The buttons are pretty tactile and gives good feedback all around. Even using the joystick is also really smooth. So that's the configuration option. So how do you pair it? If you have an iQOO device, as soon as you turn this on, iQOO phone will detect it. Right now we have the iQOO 9 Pro, although we have already paired it, so it may not show up. It will automatically connect. So you can see here right now it is automatically connected. GamePad is connected. So what you do is once connected, just insert the phone here. So we'll just show you. So there you go, I have inserted the phone. Now let's try BGMI. I will show you how this works. So what you need to do is this device has a dedicated gaming controls. So you can actually set up the gaming controls here. So now we have set up, turned on the game. So what we'll do is we'll just, you can see here, if you swipe from here, if you are using a iQOO device, we have this option. So this is quite useful. You can see here gamepad option. Even if you are using other smartphones, you can use that. You can connect via Bluetooth and then pair it. So you can see here, this is the options for an iQOO device. So you can see here configuration options. So these are the buttons available. So you can see here C, Z, A, L3, L1, X, Y, all the configurations are available. Then the general settings are there. You can see the button options, button icons, then what all transparency you want for the buttons that can be set. Now what you need to do is just adjust the button. So right now I set L1 here for scope and L2 for firing. Then here I have set the joystick here for moving. So what you can do is just drag and change the position wherever you want. So L1, L2, you can see here, if I want an additional control, just drag from here and place it wherever you want. And that control, for example, the Z control is now placed here. So similarly, what all control you want, you can just drag and place it. I'll just start the game, and then you'll get more idea here. So I'll just start this game. So now we'll just show you the configurations once again. You can go with the monster mode if you are using an iQOO device. That's one useful feature. So just select this, and here you can see the position. So right now I can see that the joystick. So here you can see that right now I placed for the firing, and then I have placed L2 for the scope, and then R1 is also here. So if I use R1 also, I can use it for firing. So everything can be configured. You can set the positions of this button, and once you set the position, what you can do is save at peripherals. You can see here now I saved, and you can just exit this. So as soon as you click, you can see here I'm not clicking on the screen. This is the firing, and I can use the scope as well. So you can see here this is how it works. So you can use the joystick. So you can see here this is the joystick, and I'll just use this. So I'm using the joystick right now. So I can use the firing here. So this is how we can fire. So and all these controls can be mapped. You can see now I am just using scope. So even right buttons are also there. You can use the combination and the joystick works well. So this is how you configure the gamepad, and it works pretty well. Since I'm not a gamer, I'm not going into the gameplay, because this actually involves a bit of learning, because once you get used to the buttons, then it will be easier for you to handle. Till then it might take some time to get used to it, because the controls you are used to playing on the screen, then the controls are on one side, so it does take a bit of time to get used to it. But once you are gotten used to it, it's pretty useful, and it works really well. The tactile feedback is very good actually, and it does a really good job, and it feels quite good in hands as well, with the material quality and the sturdiness, and also the build quality is really good. So that was the iQOO gamepad, which was launched in India for rupees 3,000 rupees. So if you are using an iQOO device, this is a very good investment. If you are into gaming, this is a pretty good investment, and you can actually buy this from iQOO. So that's the iQOO gamepad, and how to configure, that's what we have showed here right now. So it works really well. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.